over the last few weeks I've been fishing right here at Lindholme Lakes, where I've fished the Bomb and Feeder Winter League. Now on a venue like this you've got a wide variety of lakes, a wide selection of different types of peg as well, and I often get asked about what kind of kit I bring to venues like this when I'm fishing them in a winter league like the one we've just finished. And that's why I'm here today. I've just filmed a video where I show you the tattle, the baits and the approaches that I've used at this venue and venues up and down the country through winter and through springtime, and that video is live right now on YouTube. So if you want to check out that video, the link is below. So I hope you enjoyed that insight into how I tackle venues like this during winter.